Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is what I come out to this morning. Well, not exactly. I had it all clamped whenever I left. I got back, took the clamps off, instantly failure. That high dollar Gorilla Glue adhesive, it didn't do the trick. So, watch some YouTube videos on gluing wood to metal. Come up with another solution, a very costly solution, but still a solution. I think it's going to actually work. But yeah. So now I got to take this the rest of the way off, clean it, and clean the metal, clean the wood, clean everything, and start over. So day 7, 7th time, however you want to say it, working on the Hotshot truck sleeper camper, DIY camper, whatever you want to call it. Let's get this party started. It's already 8:30. I've been at town ever since 6, trying to find something that'll work. I hope I found a solution. Y'all pray for us. Once again, y'all, I got the video sped up. One, because y'all don't like long videos, and 2, because I have no music or nothing to put on here. Every time I put music on, it ends up getting copyright strikes against me. So we're just gonna work. Y'all gonna listen to me talk, and y'all can imagine that we are hot and tired because it's freaking Texas in August, and we out here working like slaves. But anyway, it is currently Thursday while we are filming this. We have to be in Indiana by Monday morning. So we trying to get this finished, trying to get all this stuff done. We wasted all that time trying to glue this day before. So we have just pretty well give up on it. We're taking Gorilla like super glue, gel, and glue it to the metal. That worked really good. It's really strong. But we went ahead and just said, forget it. We're not waiting any longer, and we put screws around the edges and I'm going to put trim on it. Also, looking back now, I can see how tired I am just by how slow I'm talking in the videos. But I appreciate y'all watching though. Alright guys, got some new mics in today. I ordered them yesterday and they are already here. So me and Jeanette's going to be trying them out. We took us about a 3-4 hour nap. It got so hot. We just couldn't stand it out here anymore. So it's currently cooled down to 97. So we're going to get out here and get to working. We got a little game plan. Everything I ordered yesterday from Amazon come in except for my lights. But I'll be able to go on and cut my holes in my roof, in my ceiling, put the wires through, so whenever my lights do come in, I'll be able to just stick them in the hole and be good. Got me some wire, everything I need, light switch. So as of right now, I have everything except a door. Who needs a door sleeping at a truck stop, huh? Yeah, that might be a problem later on down the road. Anyway, I'm fixing to turn this off, play it back, and see how bad the fan noise is. Because my other microphone had 0 fan noise whenever I was standing here and talking to you guys. So wish me luck. Here I'm just cutting out the holes for my lights to go in the ceiling. But whenever we start on this middle piece here, you'll see it's kind of put it up and all, but we leave it loose. That way we can get in between the metal and the wood to put the glue, because that glue dries so quick that it wasn't leaving us much time to put it up there, screw it, before it cured. Yes, it's crazy glue gel made by Gorilla Glue. My cousin recommended me use liquid nail in the dark blue container. That's what we ended up using on the walls, and I wish I'd have used it all over. It worked really, really good, and it was easy to use and handle.
You know what? It's hot. I'm aggravated, and it's taking forever to set this camera up every time and babysit my wife and everything. So I'll be back whenever I have an update or actually something done.
Even though this YouTube video is only 8 minutes and 59 seconds long, it started out being 4 hours and 46 minutes long. I just couldn't get it edited to where y'all could hear what we was saying because of the fan noise. It was so much like this sheet here, taking it on and off and on and off and on and off. It just drug on forever. We was trying to cut it and make it nice and clean looking, not have no big gaps. And anyway, we was just struggling with this.
Alright, y'all, it's currently 2:15 in the morning, 2:14 in the morning. It's finally starting to cool off out here. We got most of the inside done. Yeah, I know there's a big gap over there. I didn't realize it. And my plywood where the bed's gonna sit was jacked up, was raised up. Something was under it or something, I don't know. Anyway, so when I cut that piece, I cut it to fit where the plywood was, not where it is. Left that. But we're gonna have insulation and outer skin, so you won't see that daylight when I get through. Plus, after I do the trim, you definitely won't see it. But anyway, I think what I'm gonna do now is throw some insulation in these spots. Not that that's real hard to do since we already got it all cut out. But that'll just be one less thing I gotta do tomorrow when it's 98 degrees. So anyway, that's that. Alright, y'all, I'm calling it for the night. It's 2:45. It's finally cooled down to 80 degrees. But my nap has left the chat. My brain is just, I don't know. It just ain't doing brain things. Anyway, put the insulation in everywhere I got wood. Except for here, I can't find this one. I have no earthly idea where it went, and I can't find this one. If y'all seen it, please let me know. But anyway, I'm gonna get in here and get me a shower, take me a nap, try to be up bright and early this morning, and work a little bit while it's cool. But anyway, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. God bless.